Well, Sandra, here it is. This is the end of the garden. I'm going to pull all this out now, put it in the composter, and that's it for this year. It was a beautiful garden. I'm glad I did it. I can't say enough about it, but I'm just going to clear all this, sweep it off, and show you what it looks like before I roll it all up and put it away. I could leave it here over the winter, but it is plastic woven weed fabric, and the snow and the cold could make it brittle. Now, it's supposed to last up to 5 years, so it's better if I roll it up and put it away until I use it again in the spring. So let's get started on this. And I need to get these flips out of the ground. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting a hammer there, get the hammer under it, and giving it a pull. There you go. Give it a pull like that. There you go. Up and out. That's how easy they are to come out. And we'll roll all this up to take it back and put it away for the winter. Well, there it is. All done for the winter. You can see the weed line boundary. No weeds in that garden. And Mother Nature doesn't like to be naked. No, she doesn't. Dump some leaves down here after. That's garden season 2021 come to an end. Thanks for hanging out with me, Sandra, on my 2021 garden adventure, my weedless garden. Look at that. The end of the garden, not a weed in it. It worked. If you know anybody that wants a weedless garden, tell them to look me up. I'll help them do it, because it's really, really easy. Love yous. Bye-bye.